Let's do a brief overview of functions. They are the basis of very much in the math world, and we can use this brief video as the foundation of later lessons. Let's start with x. X is a variable and it represents a number, any number. It can be 5, it can be 100, it can be pi, it can be any real number between negative infinity and infinity. X is our independent variable, and depending on what operations we perform on x will result in a change in our dependent variable. Y is our dependent variable. Its value depends on whatever operations we perform on x. The function we perform on x can be denoted as f of x. For example, if we wanted to add 6 to our independent variable, it would be denoted as f of x equals x plus 6. For simplicity's sake, we can also say y equals x plus 6. When looking at our function y equals x plus 6, we know that f of x equals x plus 6. It follows that f of negative 2 equals 4 because negative 2 plus 6 is 4. F of negative 1 is 5 because negative 1 plus 6 is 5. F of 0 is 6 because 0 plus 6 is 6. F of 1 is 7 because 1 plus 6 equals 7. And f of 2 is 8 because 2 plus 6 equals 8. When graphed on an xy plane, the corresponding x and y values will make a single point. So where x equals negative 2, y equals 4. When x equals negative 1, y equals 5. When x equals 0, y equals 6. When x equals 1, y equals 7. And when x equals 2, y equals 8. It will continue in a fashion like this all the way from negative infinity to infinity.